I'm going to teach you how to order from Temu using cash on delivery. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step so that you can confidently place an order and pay upon receiving your items. First, let's kick things off by heading over to Temu.com on your computer. This is where you'll find the exciting world of Temu's products ready for you to explore. Take a moment to browse the selection and get a feel for what's available. If you know what you're looking for, you can use the search bar to find specific items or categories. Once you've found an item that piques your interest, it's time to take a closer look. Review the product details carefully, including specifications, customer reviews, and available sizes or colors. This will help ensure that your chosen product meets all your expectations before you move forward. Next, when you're certain you found the right item, you'll want to add it to your cart. Simply click on the Add to Cart button, and your item will be placed in your shopping cart, ready for checkout at your convenience. Now, let's proceed to the checkout process. Find the cart icon located at the top right of the website and click it. This action will take you to a summary of your selected items. Take a moment to review your order details and make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, click on the checkout button to move to the next step. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter your shipping address. It's crucial to fill in your name, address, and contact number accurately. This information is vital, especially when you're opting for cash on delivery, as it ensures there's no confusion when it comes to delivery. Scroll down the page to find your payment options. Check if the cash on delivery option is available in your area. Please note, this option may not be supported in all areas, so if it doesn't appear, Temu might not offer the service in your location. Assuming COD is available, select it as your payment method. Now, you're ready to place your order. Carefully review all your entered details one last time, and when you're ready, click Place Order. After a brief moment, a confirmation page will appear, which will include your order number. Make sure to save this number or take a screenshot, as it's essential for tracking your delivery. And that's it. You've successfully placed an order on Temu using cash on delivery. This method is a convenient choice for those who prefer not to use credit or debit cards online. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.